Shut up and sit down.
Hey guys, today I am testing out this little guy. It is the DJI Osmo Pocket USB-C to 3.5 millimeter microphone adapter. And I've got this microphone, I've had it for quite some time. The good thing about this microphone is it has a dead cat. This fluff is supposed to stop wind noise. It's not attached to the camera yet, but you can attach it and it switches over to this. You can detach it and it goes back to the microphone on board. Some cameras, when you detach your microphone, you got to turn it off, then back on for it to re-engage the onboard mic. So that's one good thing about this that I like. I have tried other adapters. This one I got off of eBay, I believe, and it was like $3. They claim that it worked, but it does not work at all. I've tried them both with the GoPro Hero 5, and they don't work with that either. I've tried the GoPro Hero 5 adapter with the Osmo, and it doesn't work. And I've tried the Osmo adapter with the GoPro, no joy. So basically what's going on is both GoPro and DJI have their own proprietary adapters, and I guess they got that idea from Apple. So it's just a way they can charge you a lot of extra money. I mean, they're basically the same things. This was like $4 with shipping. This was like $50, a little more than $50. So it's comparable to GoPros. So I'm going to test it out. I'm going to get in an area on my trike where it has some good wind, and I'm going to try it with and without it. One note: if you do want to switch over to the onboard, you got to pull the whole thing off. You just take the mic out. It is still trying to allow the dongle to control the audio, and you'll have nothing but silence. So you'll want to pull the whole thing out. So one good thing about the microphone adapter is that with the Osmo, the onboard mics are here, and there's another one right there. So here and there. And that's great if you're talking to the camera, if you're vlogging. But if you need to record somebody that is in front of you, someone you're talking to, and you flip over the camera, you really can't hear them. But the good thing with this is all you got to do is twist the microphone. And once you twist the microphone, you got the audio from the front. So right now I'm speaking and the audio is probably a little muffled because the microphone is facing away from me. I turn it around and now the microphone's facing toward me, and it is probably a much clearer sound. Alright, so I am now recording with the microphone adapter. I have a lot of wind noise in my ear, so there should be a lot of wind noise on the camera. And I think this is a pretty good test for any triker or cycler out there that wants to use the Osmo as a vlog camera. So under the same conditions, I'm pulling out the adapter. And I'm betting the wind noise has increased substantially. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Is the audio better with the mic, or is it better without the external mic? And unlike all the other adapters that I've tried, this one passes the tap test, which means it is clearly picking up audio from the external microphone. So they may be gouging us on the price, but at least the product works, as opposed to wasting $4 to $5 here and there on adapters that will never work. Oh, and one more thing. I keep forgetting to say this. Like, follow, share, and subscribe.